And we do have a prize for the winner. They don't know what they're gonna guess, but the winner will receive their prize at the end of the game.
Alright, babes, let's go.
Yeah.
Shelatin, awesomeness. Shelatin, awesome. Shelatin, awesomeness. You're chilling with the Sharp family. You're chilling with the Sharp family.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Yeah. I'm your girl Tanisha, and we have Tia with us today, and Sheldon.
Yep, people.
Yes, as you can see the title below, they are here for a game of Who Knows Me Better. Yes, wonder who will win this one. Okay, but before we get into that, we want to welcome all the new subscribers. Welcome to our channel, and welcome back to our
People, welcome.
fans. Welcome. So,
Yeah, I'm ready for the game. People, remember now, I am the fiance, Tia is the daughter. Now, Tia has known her longer than me. Tia has known her longer than me. Okay? So let us see what's going to happen, alright?
and we do have a prize for the winner. They don't know what they're gonna guess, but the winner will receive their prize at the end of the game.
Alright, babes, let's go.
Yeah. So I've gone ahead and write down 20 questions about myself that I'm gonna ask, and the person with the first correct answer will win, and you know the points will add up at the end.
But remember, you just said that if the two of you get it right, each get a point. That also is in the
Yeah,
prize.
but when you get it wrong, you won't get a point.
Yeah, next person
Definitely.
win. Yeah.
So at the end, we'll see who have the most points.
Alright, number one question. And I'll shake.
So the first question, are you excited?
Let's go.
The first question is, what was my favorite subject in school?
What kind of question is that?
We never talk about that. We talk about that. You know that, Tia?
What was my favorite subject in school?
Never maths. I never guess that one because I don't remember us talk. Well, did we talk about it? I'm gonna say English.
It's the maths or science.
We say English.
You say English, and you say either maths or science.
Choose one.
Well, the first one that she said is maths, okay?
Yeah.
And she should get a point. That's my favorite subject still.
You love maths, really?
Write my point. Don't cheat.
Alright.
Don't cheat.
And
Alright.
the second question is, do I have a pet name and what is it?
Oh, yeah. I get a point for that. I know that. The two I get a point for that.
Yeah.
You
Say
no, I want to
sweet.
say first.
You want me to
Oh,
say first?
three.
Oh.
Hold on, there's something wrong in there because if she.
T.
Well, yeah, well,
It's
no.
T or
No, three. No, we get it right. But, you know, in case we're going to copy your answer, you copy my answer. Because we're going to say the person who said it first, if me don't know it, we're going to just use your answer.
That's how many times I put up an hand and the first person put up their hand would I get it.
Like, we'll get this one right.
Yeah, there's someone now get right together.
Is that right my point?
Well, you get maths, you get the first one right.
Yeah. Get it to step up in. Let
Alright.
me write my point to Sheldon and I got you.
Alright, the third question is, do I like or dislike surprises?
She likes surprises, people. She loves surprises. Her birthday is coming up, and if I'm going to surprise her, a problem.
Whatever.
So she love it.
Yeah, answer to you?
She likes surprise, but it's sometimes stressful.
Like what? This one?
Stressful.
Stressful. Well,
Alright, you told me that 1 point.
sure.
The next question is, am I an early bird or a night owl?
Night owl.
Early bird.
What's an
Yeah, at
early?
night and she got it early.
But she wake up in the night.
No, she got it early.
She go to bed and then wake up back in the night.
No, what counts is the first thing. She got bed early. She's no night owl. She got bed early. And it's a back in the day. Before me meet her, she used to come back up on the road, enough. But we know right now, we're talking about past and present.
She'll get that one, Tia get that. She'll get that one, Tia.
Yeah, she got it early. She watch a movie and she just sit in the like.
Me,
So.
I'm bored than you, so.
We're tired. We're tired. We're tired. We're not tired. We're tired. Hey, one.
Am I a cat person or a dog person?
Right.
That's a chick.
Yes,
That's
a chick
what
person.
chicks don't know.
Well, no, hold on. Is she a cat person or she don't like cat? She don't like the pussy. I may like the pussy. And me and you like the pussy. So she's a dog person. Come on,
It's
answer.
Shrek, the dog.
None of them.
I'm a cat person. You know none of them?
None of them.
Oh, yeah. People should know. None of them.
Yeah, you should have stick to your one where it says that trick question.
Yeah, she don't like none of them people. God damn it. No, okay.
What is one thing I'd like to change about myself?
Remember that.
Oh, Tia, pause. What she want?
We are not teaming. Bye.
Hold on, Tia.
The thing.
Where is she
Remember
on?
the
She-
prize. Remember
Boy.
the prize.
Herself.
Or wait.
Yeah, wait.
The team can
No.
You never know. And Tia alone I get this point. Tia alone. People. Tia know the answer and him hear it
Alright.
and I'm gonna say.
Alright.
Tia alone I get this
Alright,
point.
cool. Alright.
And the next question is, do I have any allergies?
No.
No. I'm not, it's this time I'm not follow Tia. No.
Yes, I know. I know when you're following. Alright, the next question is, my favorite place to be when I'm not home.
When I see him.
You don't see me?
When I see him.
I'm not asking, I'm trying to guess where. Your favorite place to be when you're not home? What?
Me.
What? Answer no?
The
I'm not.
shop.
Which shop?
Their work
Oh,
place.
people, let me give you the answer. Let me give you the perfect answer. Her favorite place to be when she is not home would be on a vacation somewhere on the North Coast.
Woof, woof, woof,
She loves being at those places. Yeah.
What?
You get it, right?
It was really on the beach, but you get it.
Alright. Alright. Tia, I think we're tired.
Who is my closest sibling?
Me.
Oh, me know too. Hold on. Yeah. We could answer. Come on, we see where I guess. Follow your answer. You start with the end. You start with the end. You start with the end, right?
It end with S.
Yes, we're right. Yeah, we're right. So, Victoria get it right. Nicholas. Alright. Get it right. We get it right.
Okay. Alright. So it one deserve a point for
Yeah.
that one. Alright. What did I want to be when I was a kid? When I was a kid, what did I want to be? What kind of work I want to do?
Teacher. A nurse too? I would say nurse.
The same one you just saw?
No, that wasn't my dream.
Nurse, you said.
Me want to be nurse.
Tia, what you say, Tia?
Pink.
A tailor.
What? That run, man. That run, Tia, that run.
A manager.
I think we'll do one more guess. You never want to become a teacher. Well, like you like, man, so if you want to become a
Liar?
bank, working on a bank. You don't work in a bank?
Liar.
You should lie. You should not lie. Represent people. Anyway, we give up.
No lawyer, no.
When I give
Don't
up.
teacher, right?
No.
And no
give
bank
up.
clerk, right? Alright, Tiana, give up.
A baker?
Should I be a fuck girl and see that?
She was a baker.
I want you to become an accountant or a bank manager.
Yes, me night. Yeah. It's in a bank. We're in a bank. We're in a bank.
5 to 10.
Yeah, one picture done.
Alright. Get in there.
Alright, so we're at question number 11
What about 20?
out of 20 questions. Yes.
To go. Alright, good. Send that.
So what was my first job?
Me.
Actually, before I answer, two we know. The two we know. Is up Boulevard side there or doing the park side? I see the answer. But me not.
I don't know location, I job me
Yeah,
want
I'm
me
give the
do.
answer. So, Tia, answer now, come and know the answer. But me say, so I'm start up with that. So you don't see me, I follow your answer.
Tia, what year one?
She work in a store where people buy cupcake or pastry and them in the morning, like coffee.
She used to work at so let me tell you, it's not a popular fast food place, but he used to work at one of those places that sell food to people. Just can't remember the name of it. You tell me the name of it, can't remember the name of it. Some up the side, right? Yeah, can you told me about it?
Yeah, year one correct, Sheldon.
How far to Tia they off?
Eh?
Because Tia was saying that
Tia one of the second job.
or the store thing.
That Tia one of the pastry place, and this was a restaurant, pastry restaurant. That was my first job.
Up that side, right?
Papi side.
Oh, the farther, okay.
But the Tia one at the Boulevard one, that was the second one after.
Oh.
So Tia, may I give you points here?
Tia, there's questions coming that I don't know the answer to. So you get two of them already and you don't know about.
Alright, cheer up guys. Question number 12. Which one do I prefer? TikTok or YouTube?
Come on now, it wasn't the answer.
YouTube.
Yeah. What about it? You know, you use TikTok. Or they may build the TikTok following and he's like, yeah, show me if it does chop. Look at about 1,000 minutes here, you know though. I'm gonna build it back up there.
Alright,
Out of my point?
yeah, out of these three, which one do I prefer? Spa, hotel, or camping?
Spa.
Hotel, spa, she like spa. Hotel people, hotel.
Yeah, Sheldon.
Where you get spa from? She was just gonna spa you?
Yes.
Oh, what, the
I
surprise
like
that you
it,
want.
but it's not the
But
first
then step up
time.
in her back and she'll just feel it.
Do I prefer to work a job or do I prefer to work for myself?
Work for yourself.
Yeah, we know that. People, she and 95 is no friend. She wouldn't stay. Yeah. She wouldn't stay.
What is my favorite flavor ice cream?
Oh! Is it a chocolate?
No,
Or
wrong. You know,
They
yeah.
want stuff.
Okay. Name 3 things I did today.
sleep is one.
Name 1 clear.
You fix up your hair. Go on.
Your beard tray.
You feed Dre. Yes, you really wouldn't want to feed him. I was
Okay.
May I go into some more, some more finesse ones.
there. You eat.
Not yet. So we got 2, right? When the third one you see that was meaningful. Oh, she prepared dinner from the stuff left over from the Saturday, Friday holiday festivities. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So both of you deserve a point.
Yeah.
Which high school I attended?
I don't know that.
Oh, it's in Clark Guys, she's from Clarendon.
She don't know which high school
She
I attended.
attended high school in Clarendon. I just cannot remember the
I
name.
went to high school in Clarendon. Wally for high school in Clarendon. I need a name.
Natalie, could you help me please? Call me, tell me. I don't know the name. Natalie.
Natalie, no, but we didn't went to the same high school.
Oh, she know, and I see my school never. Well, we don't know the, we don't forget the name.
What was the fine for that?
Yeah, we do. Tell them.
I went to Edwin Allen.
Alright.
So which is my favorite game?
Okay. Shucks. She have 2 games that she played here. She have 2 games that she played. Okay.
Listen to me.
Me don't
Tia,
think
hold
it.
it. Make him say it first.
You know your answer?
What? Let's
Alright,
say it
people.
first, and I first answer me. I take.
Candy Crush your name. And you play that one the morning, you play the Facebook one.
Not correct. Tia.
Chairman by name.
And then Candy Crush your name.
No.
Yes, yes it is.
I play Candy Crush, but it's not my favorite game.
I like to play the most.
No.
The Facebook one you play less.
No.
The
Which
farm
Facebook
where they
one?
might kill you, mash up your house. I said I got here.
It need a name, it need a name.
Exactly. Tia, come on so you can get the points.
Shanika, what is the name, Shan? Can you sometimes log on and mash up our house?
After 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
Remember
2,
it?
1.
What is it?
Kind master.
That's kind.
Alright then. What number you reach?
And the final one.
Malose.
And the final one.
Go with it, go with it.
What is my favorite snack?
What?
What is my favorite snack?
The one that you said gosh, I can buy enough time, that cheese shit thing there. What name again?
Monster Pearls.
You like Monster Pearl? I mean, no lady start eating.
You never know what it name.
But I know say I eat.
Yes, what my favorite snack?
Oh, cashew. Cashew.
No, you already some monster
No, I
curd.
see I call it the
You
name.
already some monster curd.
No, hold on.
No, no, only not get
See I call
correct.
it the name.
No, no, only not
But
get
cashew
correct.
is not a snack, that's a peanut.
But it's like
Still a
snack.
snack still, but
Only not get correct.
Bye.
alright guys.
So guys, that's the total the amount now. And
Tell us the score.
who is the winner? If we have a tie, then you know I'll have to do more questions.
Don't tie around here, I mean with this. See, I beat you on this. I'm the champion. We are the champion.
Alright, so we don't have a tie. We have the score. Tia gets 10 correct and Sheldon gets 12 correct.
Hey! Hey!
So-
So the 22 questions. Cause if
No, because if we got the answers correct together. Yeah.
So
Guys.
Sheldon is the one that will receive $10,000 cash prize.
Light, yeah. So I believe that. People,
you ruined that.
Yeah,
I want
definitely
people-
have to share it with Tia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have gone so far.
hello. Stand by know something. Stand by know something. Hold on. Sure.
I know business with
Thank
her.
you.
Thanks for participating.
You stand by? Jesus Christ.
Guys, remember to leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment.
Wait.
What?
Wait, if this get 30 likes, we're going to do a second round.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to yours.
So Tia is requesting 30 likes so we can do a second round. Alright? So
Yeah, well,
like up the video and leave a comment and share with a friend and all those things. There.
so listen now. Alright, so we're going to do who knows you better, who knows me better. I can have a class where I tell you guys a lot of stuff about me. And you
Okay.
guys can write down notes, okay? And
Okay.
I'm going to do a test from that.
Okay.
But guys, this money, now spend on them, you know. It's a mine. Jesus Christ.
Can barely do.
When you're broken on Christmas,
I just don't like it here.
Back 5 minutes, like this. Hey, back 5 minutes. What are these?
Keep your money.
Close off.
Just showing them 5 minutes, like this, eh?
Not desperate.
Yes.